It's 20 past 8, Jeff. It's time for you to get your tyres on.
Awesome.
Oh, welcome back to One Raceway, Jeffrey. How you going?
I'm going to get it done in time.
Oh, look out. What have you got here? You got your 200 treadwear and 80 on the front.
Yeah, that's it.
Oh, Mandos, look out.
Yeah.
Oh, here we go.
Yeah. 10 seconds off my laptop.
10 seconds, I'll hold you to that. Well, I've got some exhaust modifications done. And Diesel, Dallas, what have you been up to?
Oh, jeez.
Oh,
no. A lot, actually.
Right.
We've got bonnet pins now, bit of a block out in the front, get some aero.
Right.
The back 3 windows.
Oh, Frankie, what's going on here?
Oh, I lost the tyre. Someone else is spouting on me.
It's hard to hold on to.
I've seen this on YouTube.
Oh, okay, yeah. That's a wild bit of kit.
Yeah. Oh, looks like fun.
Yeah.
Good luck, mate.
Alright, can I go?
Still just touching, coming down the fish short, you can see it. Looks like smoke. Yeah.
Horsepower. No substitution, is there, for horsepower? See someone drive one like that.
What's he doing to my car?
I don't know, Fred, what's he doing?
What are you doing?
That's the only thing you can do to a dunny door, isn't it?
Oh, you're bashing on it.
Beating on it, yeah, the paint's,
So what's happening here, Frankie? We've had a bit of a mischief on the fish hook, do you reckon?
So someone did a bit of agriculture.
Tension in the pits, tension in the carports. We're just facing a couple minute delay here. We're just doing a quick clean up on the trail available, I will have the circuit going again in a couple of minutes.
Turn 7.
I reckon that might. That could have been me.
You want to show them the grass in the front wheel?
Any expectations, Frankie?
I'm expecting to beat Diesel.
Right.
Yeah,
Yes.
definitely.
What do you reckon, Shelby? Possibly. Yes.
Aim to stay on the track.
Oh, okay. Unlike someone else.
It might be your first for our sessions today.
I think so. Never know. All right. Well, you've got the Red Bull Mirage, Frankie, and it's got some fairly ridiculous-looking perspex in the back here, if I must say.
On the quest for license,
Yeah.
I wouldn't say it's our best work, but
No.
Report to race control, please. Johnny Fidelius, report to race control.
Oh, I thought I could.
Johnny's in trouble.
I think I could have gotten that call up too. All right.
yeah, this guy's a betting in the gravel too.
Yeah, yes. No good. All right, lots of Mandos here today. Let's go. Here goes Frankie in the Red Bull. He's got to do a 1:13.9 is the target for this young man. There goes young Jeff in the Mando. Go Frankie! A beautiful day here at One Raceway. Young Jeff's lined up. Frankie's towards the front there, in front of an MG. Do you reckon he's going to go Diesel?
Hopefully very well.
Oh, we'll have to wait and see.
Settings I've got in the Mirage are good for him.
Yeah, we'll wait and see. No excuses.
No.
No, you don't want that.
No.
Look at that Lotus. That looks particularly dangerous, doesn't it? Here we go. MX-5. There goes Frankie. Thumbs up. Hey. Well, Diesel, that's probably a good sign.
Oh yes, it is a good sign.
right, Jeff, so you've done another PB. What are you up to now?
113.51.
Oh, nice one. Very good. These AR ones
Not a
are
bad improvement.
they're doing the trick, aren't they? Oh,
Well, could be.
yeah,
Could be
very
just
good.
driving better, so.
Yeah, well, you'll think you're optimals now in the flat 13. Very
Yeah,
good.
there's still some more to come.
Yeah. Diesel, how are you going?
Well, improved way more than I expected to today. I
Oh,
was
right.
happy with 4 tenths, but managed to take 8 tenths and
Oh, stop
go the
it.
fastest so far today in the mighty Mirage.
114.07.
7.
Wow, right.
And
yeah.
I think it's a 113.22 is the optimal. So
Well, 13 optimal. What do you reckon about that, Frankie?
What's that, mate?
Oh, he's got the PB in the car today.
Yes, he's done very well.
Oh, geez, look out. No good.
She's still punching away.
Oh, totally.
PB, so not very much change.
I don't think I'm totally convinced in the Perspex job, but that's probably a comment for another day.
well,
More excuse to paint it,
It was cheap.
right?
Cheap works.
Okay, very good. All right, well, nearly wrapping up here. We'll flash up some footage. Let's go.